Hi friends, in this video let us solve a sequence and system related question asked in GATE 2004 instrumentation paper. And the question is x of t is equal to 5 cos 150 by t minus 60 is sampled at sampling frequency is 200 Hz. What is the fundamental period of sampled signal? That's what they are asking. They are not asking the sampling rate of x of t, they are asking the sampling rate of x of nts. Because if you sample x of t, after sampling it will become x of nts. So x of nts is given by 5 cos and 150 by, here t becomes nts, so same happens here, nts minus 60. 5 cos 150 by n. Ts is nothing but 1 by fs. So 1 by fs is 200. 1 by 200 minus 60. So what will happen? It is 5 cos 3 by 4 by n minus 60. For this only we have to find the fundamental period. So fundamental period n is this 2 pi by omega. Omega is 3 by 5. This is omega. M is any integer which makes n as integer. So it is 8 by 3 m, that is equal to 8 for m is equal to 3. So fundamental period is 8. What is m? M is the integer which makes n as integer, right? Okay. So answer is option D. Thank you.